What is a fictitious force or pseudo force? Tell me, what is the acceleration of inertial frame? It is 0. But acceleration of non-inertial frame is not 0. So a body in non-inertial frame possesses a force. Do you know what is the direction of this force? The direction of this force is opposite to the direction of the motion of non-inertial frame. This force is called pseudo force or fictitious force. Examples are Coriolis force, centrifugal force. Do you know what is a Coriolis force? It is a force in which the straight line motion becomes curved. Suppose air is flowing on the surface of earth and earth is rotating. Due to the rotation of earth, the air flow becomes curved. In a descending lift, the pseudo force acts in the upward direction. That is why the pseudo force is equal to minus mg. So the net force will be equal to 0 because true force is mg and pseudo force is minus mg. So the net force is equal to 0. But what is the net force in ascending lift? In ascending lift, the pseudo force is in the downward direction. So pseudo force is equal to plus mg. So the net force will be equal to mg plus mg, that is equal to 2 mg. In this way, the pseudo force can be measured by means of a weighing machine taking inside a lift.